Hello everyone, welcome back. So today we are making delicious palm oil fish stew. If you want to see how I made this, kindly keep watching. And this stew was so yummy and very delicious, and it's very easy to put together. So for this recipe, I'm going to be making use of just fresh tomatoes, habanero pepper, onions, and a lot of crayfish here. So I've already rinsed everything. Then I'm going to blend everything together just like this. So after blending everything together, I'm going to set it aside. So into my pot, I'm going to go in with palm oil. Then I'll let that hot. Then I'll go in with some chopped onions. So I'm going to fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. So after that, I'm going to add in my blended tomato mix. So I'm not using tomato paste for this recipe. So I'm going to just, after adding it, I'm just going to stir. Then I will let this cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the water is a little bit dried up. And guys, if today is your first time here, thank you so much. Thanks for clicking today's video. My name is Lisa. Welcome to my kitchen. So please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on your bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. I really do appreciate you all. Please keep watching, keep liking, and keep subscribing. So after 15 minutes, I went in with my seasoning and my salt. So after that, I will just cover it to cook for extra 5 minutes. Then I'm going to stir. Then I will add in my fried mackerel fish. If you want to see how I fry this fish, is on my channel. I'm going to be putting the link under this video. So please do where to check it out, okay? So after adding the fish, I just covered it to simmer for extra few minutes. Then I'm going to stir this together, guys. Look at that. Look how yummy this stew is looking, and it was so delicious. So at this point, the stew is a little bit dried, and I want the stew and the fish to marry themselves very well. So now I went in with a little bit of water. After adding the water, then I stir and just cover this to cook for a few minutes, and our stew is ready. Guys, if you watched to this extent, thank you so much, and please don't forget to like this video, okay? And also drop me a comment. At this point, guys, look at this stew. This was so delicious, guys. So what will you be eating this with? You can pair this with rice, yam. You can also use it for bread, fresh and soft bread. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please don't forget to like and share. So I'm going to see you all in my next one. Bye for now. Bye, guys.